Everyone has their maps? GPS, emergency beacons? All right, good. Any questions?
Yeah, I got a question. Excuse me, how many of you have repets?
Yeah, I got a dog.
I got a snake. Dogs,
I got
snakes,
your
or at
point.
least know somebody who has one?
Got your point.
I mean, I know somebody, yeah.
All right, just asking. You scared the crap out of me. You proud of yourself?
See you guys.
Look, I know you're old school, but all the kids today, they grew up with repets. These days, it's totally normal.
Not to me.
Not to you. You want your kid crying all night because her dog died? Don't do anything about it. Where's your heart?
You don't think it's even a little bit creepy?
No. I don't.
Let's test the remote. See if you can keep up with me.
Alrighty, here we go. I'm telling you, these repets, they come back to you. You cannot tell the difference. Trust me, I had it done.
Oh, shit.
I'm serious. Sadie, my cat, she's a repet.
You had your cat cloned?
Yeah, well, she fell out of my condo window.
Ouch. Hey, you did well.
Thank you.
Now, how long are you supposed to keep me at Kelly's?
Till 7. Why?
Maybe you should check out Repet.
Good morning. You gentlemen the owners?
Yep, that's us.
Excellent. Larry Stern, I'm with Mr. Drucker's advanced team. We've got a contract here. I think you'll find it pretty standard except for... Who was flying that one?
Me, with the remote control. You can fly 4 of these between the 2 of us now.
Amazing.
Are you here for the blood test?
No, my technician is set up in your office.
You said these forms are standard except what?
It's our normal charter contract. It has a non-disclosure clause. During the flight, you may overhear Mr. Drucker's phone calls. It could be anything from big mergers to inside information on his sports teams. Regardless, we have a legal obligation to protect that stuff.
Well, what does this guy think? He's the president?
Oh, no, he considers her to be the world's second most important person.
Ooh, that's big stuff.
For a day of snowboarding?
The blood test was agony. Seriously, I'm screaming.
Oh, she's just kidding. Don't worry about it.
It really doesn't hurt. Just press your thumb here.
And right here?
Yes, just like that. All done.
Didn't feel a thing.
Now I need to check your vision. Place your chin here. Look straight ahead.
Right here? Mm-hmm. Did you blood test all your pilots?
Pilots, drivers, security people, assistants. Basically anyone who comes in contact with Mr. Drucker.
All right, I press here.
Yep. And here. Perfect, both of you. After this, I'm going to town to test a chef and 2 waiters. The pink copy of the charter contract is yours. I'll take the rest.
Here we go.
Have a nice flight, gentlemen.
Thank
Ta-ta.
you.
You know, I could take care of Drucker. That way you could have plenty of time to get Oliver cloned.
I'm not getting the dog cloned. I'm just gonna check it out.
I know you're gonna check it out, but once you see it, you're gonna say yes. I know deep down inside you're a softie.
They specifically asked for Adam.
Yeah, I know what specifically means. I also know that the bodyguards can't tell the difference. They never got our names.
That's true.
Look, Adam, I know that I screw around a lot, but when it comes to flying, you know I'm serious. I could do it. Go enjoy your birthday.
If you want to be me, try to act a little bit more manly.